So the sixth question that we have seems quite big, but it is quite simple, which is generally the case with longer questions. They seem big, but they are very easy to solve. You have two containers A and B, which are identical and have frictionless piston and same ideal gas. Initially, the volume and temperature of the gases was same. The initial volume was V. Masses of the gas in the two containers are Ma and Mb respectively. Both are expanded isothermally to a final volume 2V, and delta Pa is equal to given to be delta V, that is the change in pressure of the gas in container A. This is the change in gas pressure of the gas in container B. This is equal to 1.5 times the change in pressure over here. We need to find out the relation between Ma and Mb. So this is a pretty simple question. We know that PV is equal to nRT. For container A, P is equal to nRT upon V. Therefore, P final is equal to nR T final upon V final. P initial was equal to nR T initial upon V initial. Now the change in pressure for the case A, that is equal to delta P as given here. This is equal to nR T final upon V final. Now the temperature final and the initial temperature is same, therefore they can be taken to be T. Let us bring that out. Is equal to nRT 1 upon V final, that is 2V, minus 1 upon V initial, that is given to be equal to V. Now for the second case, we have delta P dash, let us call this is delta PB. This will come out to be equal to N in the second case, R into T, the temperature is same, and this is again same. Over here what we have is that delta PB is equal to 1.5 times delta P. NB can be written as mass of B upon molecular mass. Over here this was Na, this can be written as mass of A upon molecular mass. This M and this M are same because we have the same ideal gas. This is equal to Ma upon M into RT into 1 upon 2V. This is actually 1 upon V final minus 1 upon V initial, right? So here we have Mb upon M into RT into 1 upon there is a negative sign into again minus 1 upon 2V on divide, this is delta P. On dividing these two we get 1.5 is equal to Mb upon Ma. Therefore we get the relation between Ma and Mb as this is 3/2. Therefore 3 Ma is equal to 2 times Mb. So this is the final relation that we get between the masses of the gases in the two containers.